Cheeky.studio June kit. So we'll take it out of the package here. Again, this is my husband's favorite. He loves picking up the mail because it says Cheeky Chick. Okay, so they're all packed. Okay, so I ordered some extra stuff, so I'm thinking that's probably it in that one. So let's open this. I like to not cut through this because then I can use it on my layout. Why not? And same thing with this. I try to not damage it as much as I possibly can. And then I'll use this too. I've used it a few times on my layouts. Even if it gets damaged a little bit, it's okay. Because this can go like behind the photo, so not too worried. Okay. Let's just open this. No idea what's in here. Ooh. Okay. Let me see. What's this? Okay, so that's the new thing she's going to have on her website. And they're 5x7 cut apart sheets. And it's going to be a digital download. She printed it off for us. But you can get it as a digital download. And then you can print it over and over again and keep using it. And they're 5x7. And it's going to be 99 cents each. That's cute. I love the colors. So it's labels, and some of them have little, like a present on it, make a wish, and words. And this one is banners. Super cute. I love the colors. And this one is circles. Oh, I love that. So that's something that's new in the shop. Okay, so let's... And then the collection. Ooh, that's new. Little 2x2 cards. Oh, cute. Okay, so let's see what this is. There's so much stuff that I can't even see what the name of the Wishes Ephemera. That's what it's called. Okay, let's open this up first. Look how packed that is. I love it. Okay, yeah, Wishes Ephemera. Let's move this to the side. And I'll show you a few. I love that. I love the feathers. I love the colors. Ooh, so beautiful. And I love those because I love those to stick into my embellishment cluster, and it just, you know, finishes it off. And I love that it's all different sizes. So you have the same thing, the same die cut, but in different sizes. So then you can put them in different embellishment clusters. And I like to make, you know, a large and a medium and a small embellishment cluster. So then you're able to put the same type of ephemera in each cluster. These are so cute. Some banners. Oh, look at that little raccoon. Adorable. And I love, the little deer and a little raccoon family. Cute. Awesome. Tons of stuff. Oh, a little elephant. A nephalump. Oh, look at this one. Look at this little raccoon. Yay. And she's starting to put like labels and stuff in there, which I love because I call those my embellishment foundations. So now I can, you know, use some of this and start building my clusters. So that's the one ephemera pack. I'll just put it together after because I got a ton of stuff to show you guys. Okay. These are the flares. Ooh, I love them. So cute. There's 5 of them. And then there is some sequins in like a lilac and a dark purple. Love that. Oh, and look at those cute bows. Adorable. They're like little gingham bows. Okay, so this is what I was excited to see. Let's see what's in there. You can hear squirming around here. I have a bearded dragon in my craft room, and she's quite active today. She's running around her cage. Okay, so these are 2x2, and it says, I wish nothing but the best for you. Cute. Wish, wish, and wish. Sweet wishes. You are my wish come true. That's cute. Wishing you a happy birthday. So you could use those on cards too. Warmest wishes. Wishes do come true. Best wishes to you. Best wishes. Never too old to wish, and wishing you the best. And you know what I like is that there's like kind of an ombre effect going on in the 2x2s, and they match the collection. Now, what is this? Let's see what this is. I'm loving how it looks. Okay. I see a frame in there, and I love frames because this is Wishes, Frames, and Florals. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So it's part of the collection. Ooh. So, oh, look at that. I love that. Like, that's done for you. It's completely done. I love those. I cut them in half, and then I start building my embellishment cluster. Love. There's another one that it's basically done for you. Again, different sizes. And then you have your cluster of flower is done. And then you have labels. Ooh, I love that. So cute. So the June pages are going to be fun to make. So these are all like little clusters already done for you. That's cute. Love that. And again, embellishment foundations. Yay. Okay, so that is my June kit, which is packed. Holy moly, that's a lot. So I'm just going to stop and put that away, and then I'm going to show you what I ordered for the National Scrapbooking Day sale. So this is extra stuff that I purchased because she was having a sale for National Scrapbooking Day. Now, some of them I will open because it's the first time that I have the embellishment packages, but other ones I'll just show you what I got because I've already shown in depth what is in there, but I'm running low, so I got some more because I want to be able to use them still on my layouts. So I got Wildflowers Set 1. I got Winter Flowers, and I got 2 packages of that one because I love it. So 2 of those, and I got 2 Wildflowers Set 1 because I love the colors and the flowers in there. And then I got Flowers Set 3, and I figured next time around I'll get what's missing, 2 and 4. Okay, so that's stuff that I've already have in my stash, but it was running low, so I got some more. Now these are new stuff, and I got 2 packages because I knew I was going to be using this all the time. It's called Game On, and I got to open this up and show you. It is stinking adorable. So it's all based on gaming, and my son's a big gamer, and Mason, who's now 5, he's starting to love playing, you know, Nintendo games. So I love that there's little girls, little boys. I took a picture last week of like Mason's mom and Mason and Josh playing together, and it was so cute. And I love the little mushroom and the stars and the little game controller. Oh, I just love everything about it. So that's why I got 2 of them. I love this. Gamer. And then some more. And then Eat, Sleep, Game, Repeat. Get your own game. And then some little stars with faces. And again, different sizes, a Game Boy. Girls always win. Cute. Want to play a game? Epic win. Awesome. So I just love, and there's so many in there. But again, I didn't want to run out, so I got 2 of them. There you go. And then the last one, so I got 2 of those, and the last one is the puppy one. And I do quite a bit of layouts about our puppies, so I figured I would get the puppy one. Okay, so there's that adorable little dog. There's another one. And some leaves, I believe, and then flowers and hearts. More puppies. More puppies. Oh my goodness. If that dog was like black, it would be totally Louis with the ears. I'll still use it on a Louis page, but yep, totally him. So these are adorable. Even little wreaths. Cute. And flowers. And more puppies. And cupcakes. And tons of, you know, extra ephemera so that you can finish off your, and even dog bones, so you can finish off your embellishment cluster. So cute. Okay, so that's it. That was my June Cheeky Studio kit, and then all the extra goodies that I bought. And if you want to know anything about Cheeky Studio, all their information is in the description box below. So I have their Facebook group, I have the store, and if you use Nicole Jones 911 on your first order, you'll get 10% off. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.